Rockhopper penguins. Each spring, around 1,000 gather on this remote island in the southern Atlantic to breed. And finding their long-term partners in this bustling colony all comes down to sound. This busy male hasn't seen his mate for over half a year. Hoping she'll arrive soon, he diligently prepares their nest. It might not look like much, but to him, it's perfect. When he's done, he lets out what's known as an ecstatic call, telling others this is his patch. Far below, more penguins are arriving, and his partner is among them. But to get to the colony, these flightless birds must somehow scale cliffs that are 100 feet high. Timing is everything. Go too soon, and they're hurled against the rocks. Too late, and they risk being swept back into the water. Even when timed perfectly, they land on slippery slopes. Gripping tight, they claw away from the crashing waves. Then, they hop. Finally, at the top, they set about trying to find their mates. On his nest, the male calls eagerly for his companion. But somehow, she must hear him over the boisterous cries of almost 1,000 noisy birds. To our ears, all these calls sound the same. But she can detect tiny differences in each penguin's song. We can hear what she's tuning into by slowing his call to a quarter of its normal speed. She homes in on the tone of his voice and, importantly, his unique rhythm, a beat only he uses. This is what allows her to pick him out of the crowd. Guided by his call, at last they're reunited. For rockhoppers, the secret to a long and successful relationship is all in the rhythm of their song.